And hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, April 5th, 2011, and the market's in mixed, in large part due to the Fed giving mixed signals on when it's going to end its monetary stimulus activities. Anyway, we have the Dow down, we have the S&P down, we have the Nasdaq up, and the Russell's up, and the Russell's beating everybody up almost 0.5%, not too shabby. Then we have the banks lagging the broad markets, and the volatility index was in negative territory. So we were bullish at the end of the day. We took a little bit of a hit here, and we have dojis. Doji reversal patterns across the board on all major indices. And we had the US dollar up slightly, crude oil down a little bit, and a nice drop here in the transportation index. So what we have here, and we had the trend TRIN for the market internal giving us some breath in bullish territory to end the day. But look at this, we have the S&P 500 showing a lot more indecision. We had this shooting star formation, then we go into a doji, and then we get another doji. So now we have the building of a little bit of consolidation. I thought today would have a really good chance. Technically speaking, it had a very good chance of a sell-off commencing. However, the market stayed strong, making a higher low and a higher high, but breaking even for the day for the most part, closing around this 1332 area. You can see this area right here, resistance, support, and now support again. So this 1332 is an area to certainly be watching. On the MACD here, we do continue on the histogram with a negative tick. So we do have a crossover taking place on the high side of this centered oscillator. And if I take a look also at the Nasdaq, there's your high base on the Nasdaq, but we need to get over 2798. You can see how that's acting as resistance. We did get over 2800 at one point, tagged that trend line that we have drawn here. We tagged it and dropped. And then on the Russells, which is acting pretty bullish. I mean, look at this dude. Small caps are doing extremely well. And if you read into this, that shows a bullish bias going into the future. Now, we don't have any major market economic news to be really reported this week. However, next week we do kick off earnings season, and I think that there's some bullish sentiment for the earnings season to come. However, I'm not holding my breath, gang. This bearish monthly chart is not to be ignored. Resistance, and I'll tell you, if we start to drop here, it could get ugly and fast. Speaking of ugly and fast, today or right now at this very second, this is the final call. Tonight I'm going to be live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's 6 p.m. Pacific. You can join me. I'm going to be doing a little very short but very fast. It's going to be very intense. I got a lot of information I'm going to throw at all the users that come on to listen on trading computers, monitors, the setup of those. And when it comes to charting packages, such as the one I use here and some others, along with brokerage accounts, I'm going to give you my opinions on all these different things. I'm going to try to shove it all in within 30 minutes, believe it or not. All you have to do is you have to be registered, and all you have to do is go to the website, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Click on calendar, and tonight on the calendar, April 5th, just click that link in there and you'll get signed up with GoToWebinar.com. GoToWebinar.com is the service that we use to do our live events. So hope you can join us. Get registered. We'll see you tonight. Take care. Safe trading to each and every one of you out there.